traders, thank you so much for joining us into today's live stream. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been trading for over 3 years now, and what I do on my live streams, especially my YouTube page, is I share with you guys as much information pertaining to price action. And I also give you guys any trading ideas or trading concepts that I personally believe in, and I also trading opportunities that I am personally planning to take on today. So that's all, listen, guys. Sit back, relax. Let's get right into today's session. I also need to highlight one more thing is that yesterday our live stream, right? I don't know why, but I seem to have some issues with the voice. Okay, from the microphone, because for my TV I gotta put it like volume 36, which is insanely loud because I'm connected to like a Bluetooth speaker also, so it's insanely loud. But for my live stream, it was just nice, which means something wrong with the audio. So I'm not so sure if I managed to fix it or not. If it is too loud, please let me know. If it's just nice, also please let me know. So then we can just continue with this current setting. I hope it did the fix lah. Okay, traders. So let me just get a sip of water and then let's go into some updates for yesterday's trading opportunity, which was amazing. Okay. Starting off with the most amazing one, actually both of them are amazing. AUD USD. So yesterday we highlighted for buying opportunity. Okay, when price come inside this level, I told you guys I will be primarily be focusing on two pairs. That will be AUD USD and also AUD CAD, which also, by the way, went amazingly beautiful. But this one is a little bit funny. The reason being is because I got stopped out. Before he went to the TP target, I actually got stopped out. So I didn't enter AUD USD because I saw a more clearer entry opportunity for AUD CAD. Not necessarily is because AUD USD is not a good opportunity. Definitely no, it is an amazing one. Just because it never give me that pullback. You see, this is the small pullback for me to enter. Okay, we just aggressively moved away from our zone that we were highlighting. However, for AUD CAD, on the other hand, right, it was different. So you see AUD CAD, AUD CAD, we went up and then we had a pullback. So this was my entry here. So when I entered here, okay, we did very well. And then pop, I got breaked out. I breaked out. Break even. And then after that, we went all the way to the TP level. So this was during Asia session lah. Okay. So when I woke up, I saw, hey, oh, it cannot break even. So maybe the trade went in the opposite direction. When I checked, I was like, oh wow, it went even take out both of our targets that we highlighted. So regardless, I'm still very happy about the trade. I would not do things differently. I would still do the same thing if I can go back in the past or so, because setting my SL to break even whenever the trade rate 1 to 1 to 1.1.2 or 1.5 R has significantly changed my trading journey overall, if you may lah. So I won't change that for anything. It doesn't mean anything that I cannot break even, because I never put break even exactly on the dot. I always put break even a little bit higher, so I will get some small profits at the same time cover any commissions or swap fees lah, if necessary. Because this trade I was holding overnight, but as you can see, I got stopped out before the actually. But I need to check. Did I kena swap fee? Give me a moment. Huh? Check that out. Did I kena swap fee? No, I didn't kena swap fee. Yeah, so that means I got stopped out way before the time they're gonna charge me the swap. Lah. If you ask me what time do they charge swap, honestly, guys, I'm not so sure. But based on my understanding, is this candle here? You see the daily candles, right? So you see the time here, 7 hours 31 minutes. So when that timer runs out, according to what our broker time is running on, that is when the swap fee will charge, because for them, when this timer runs out, a new 24-hour candle will appear, basically a day candle. So that's when the swap fee charges lah. So I got stopped out, I think, just before that new candle populated, hence why I wasn't charged swap fees, only commission. So small profits, but I'm regardless happy lah on how the trade actually paid out. Also ADUSD. So I really hope you guys were taking notes yesterday for these trading opportunities, and these are not the only ones. Later, let's go through a bit more. So this one is opportunity that I'm waiting for. Look at GBP. We highlighted for bearish opportunity. I didn't get that opportunity, as you can see. Okay, my alarm was here, but check it out, traders. Look at how low, how powerful of a move we were highlighting for bearish momentum. This is insane, insanely amazing. I'm actually honestly incredibly happy when I saw this. I was like so surprised of how much lower price actually went, and I believe it may even go even lower. I was trying to find it as a potential zone or not. It is going to create that potential entry zone, so I may find an entry opportunity for GBAUD. Maybe today. No, I don't think today, because right now it's 9:30 already. So it's just a new section is about to begin in 1 minute time. So I probably won't get that opportunity today. Maybe tomorrow. Okay, I might find more opportunities because we are definitely very interested to move towards the downside. And there are other liquidities that I can see lah, that we can probably aim for based on the bigger time frames. Let me check that for a while. Yeah, definitely we have an opportunity here for GBP AUD. So this one I think I'll put quite high lah. I will focus on GBP AUD. I better share you guys any trading opportunities first. So this is one of it. AUD JPY. Okay, we highlighted this yesterday as well. So I told yesterday, so I don't think we will find a bullish opportunity. Okay, so there is a bullish opportunity still. The zone has already been populated today. And then basically what we have to do is wait for price to come inside this level. Same concept like AUDUSD, same concept. Come inside and then shoot up. Same concept like AUD come inside and then shoot up. So that's what I'm anticipating for AUD JPY. Same thing. I'm just waiting for price to come inside, which it is right now. I may find this entry today because now only New York session opened up, right? So I may find entry today, and then is essentially what I'm looking for. Come in, move towards the upside. Okay, this is also a very good bullish opportunity for AUD So I am primarily focusing on buys. Another one is USD CAD. So this is a bearish opportunity. This is also quite a good bearish opportunity because essentially we did predict for a move towards the upside lah. We did predicted that, but then price didn't come and take out these targets. Instead, bears are now present inside of the market. So bears also did very well, and then they created a zone, very nice zone for us where price was accumulating. So what we are essentially waiting for, like what we are anticipating for AUD is the total opposite. We're now waiting for price to come inside and then focus on sells instead of buys. That's for USD CAD. I'm focusing on selling opportunities. Okay, so I think this is the two opportunities that I find. Yeah, that's the two. The rest actually just already went up. This is another very great bullish opportunity right now, but I'm essentially waiting for a zone. I did consider to if this can be a zone or not. I did consider that, but it could be nothing wrong with the zone. Okay, I can see price nicely also came inside this level. Okay, we can see also very beautifully price is moving inside this level. However, I won't say bad. It's not bad. Nothing, no such thing as bad. It's just not as clear for me. The directional bias is clear. I have a very strong understanding that we want to move towards the upside. But the zone wise, for me, my criteria, it isn't as clear from what I'm seeing right now. Nevertheless, I am predicting for a move towards the upside, so I will leave this level. I won't call this a zone. This is not part of my zone criteria. I will leave this level here and then just monitor how price will react. So probably I might find an entry opportunity by tomorrow or Friday for CAD Nevertheless, overall I am very bullish. ADNZD. Okay, this was a very good bullish opportunity that we highlighted. And then yesterday also we highlighted about it. Okay, Tuesday so we spoke about it. All the targets has been taken out. I still believe we probably can move higher, but it will depend if I find another potential zone or not. So as of now, I do see a certain level. I need to clear off these targets, but I later will clear off because I want to make reels. I want to make shots. Okay, so we do have a certain level here, as you can see. So essentially what we can predict is price to do the same thing, traders. Okay, essentially come back inside and then move towards the upside. So this is what we can predict. So I will just essentially be waiting for price to come back to this level and then show me the potential move. Okay, so this is the closest form of liquidity. Okay, and this is another form of liquidity. Okay, so that will be good enough for now because we are approaching Friday. Okay, so this is another opportunity. So I will put this also up here to properly focus on. I don't think I will get the opportunity today. Could be, but it depends. If I do so, most probably it might happen during 10:30 or 11. So let's see. We spoke about CDJPY, right? Yes, we did spoke about CDJPY. Okay, so NZDJPY, bearish opportunity waiting for a zone. So I do sense right now bears are currently present. I did update some of the people who in control because I highlighted to you guys yesterday. Some markets I initially said bullish, waiting for alignment. Some I said bearish, waiting for alignment. But I told you guys Wednesday because it's the midweek. Who's in control can change. So some of them have already changed. For this case, we are waiting for bearish opportunity. Not waiting, it is bearish opportunity. But I personally am waiting for a zone to populate prior to entering the market. As of now, I don't see any zones available. GBP this was a bearish opportunity, and amazingly I went to take out all the targets. This was an opportunity that we highlighted, but definitely there was no zone for me to find an entry point. Nevertheless, we are still aggressively moving towards the downside and bears are still present. Hence, if there's a new zone populated and bears are still interested, I could find potential selling opportunities, but I will highlight to you guys maybe tomorrow or Friday. It depends. We need to wait for that zone. GBP CAD. Okay, so this is another bearish opportunity we highlighted, and market demolished all of these targets. So this was amazing. Same concept. Overall bears are still present. New zone populate. If still interested to move down, I will focus on sales. Euro CAD. This one, I mean, we did went to the TP level already, like that we highlighted, yesterday. But I need to check tomorrow because I'm waiting for certain candles to close prior for me to I get a better picture of who is currently in control. So I will know by tomorrow. So I'll update you guys Euro CAD by tomorrow. Euro GBP. Okay, this was the very good or bullish opportunity we highlighted. Not yesterday, we highlighted Monday. Yes, Monday we highlighted. It already take out the second target. I just wanted to show you guys take out the second target. We are close by to the third one, but I don't see an entry opportunity because there is no zone for me to enter in between this level. This was the only entry opportunity here. Nevertheless, other than that, market is moving in our favor, which is beautiful, traders. Okay, Euro USD. Euro USD there essentially I highlighted for bullish opportunity. This is the zone. We did take out the first target already lah. But I feel Euro USD seems a little bit messy. Let me turn off this one front. You see, nice. I still feel it's very good because price did went to our TP point and all, and then price is following our buyers. But I don't like when price come back to the zone multiple times. This is showing that the willingness or the strength of the buyers is not as prominent as I would personally like. So I would advise to stay away from Euro USD, even though it is a bullish opportunity. Just realize that this zone already has been used and our first target has already been taken out and price is constantly coming back. Okay, I will speak to you guys something about Solana related to this kind of concept later. USD JPY overall, I am very bullish, but I'm waiting for alignment traders. Even though we are moving towards the downside, bulls are actually still very present in the market. So therefore, I necessarily for me, I would not prefer to focus on sells. I essentially right now just waiting for the bullish alignment and a zone to populate prior to entering the market. Euro JPY, I am also overall bullish. Same thing. Okay, I'm just waiting for market to align itself for the potential bullish momentum move towards the upside. Again, this can change tomorrow on Friday. I will update you guys, but for now, I'm still focused on buys. So this is a bearish opportunity. All the targets has been taken out, and I highlighted to you guys already. So I'm essentially still under the bearish opportunity concept. and I'm waiting for a zone to probably focus on more selling opportunities for Euro AUD. So far, no zone has been accumulated, but the pullback already happened. Euro NZD, bearish opportunity. I am waiting for a zone. This part price action is ugly, but it's okay because this was on the 22nd of October. This is this week Monday. Okay, so from the sideways momentum, I highlight for you guys. From the sideways momentum, I can see price already move towards the downside. So we already break out of it, and bears are present. So it is a bit more clearer, not concept, clearer understanding that we have interest to move down. I'm just waiting for the zone to populate to focus on selling opportunities for Euro and ZD. Okay, traders, NZD USD, overall, I'm still very bearish. This one, I'm waiting for alignment. You can see we are kind of consolidating in this phase, and this is quite a big time frame. This is 1 hour. I don't like consolidations, but consolidations have to happen sometimes because the market need to accumulate enough of funds, liquidity, prior to making a powerful move up or down. Okay, the after effect is always very nice. So it's okay, let it be. As of now, I'm still focusing on bears. I'm just waiting for alignment because bulls are currently present. This one, GBP NZD, we see a bearish opportunity, very nice bearish opportunity, but I'm essentially waiting for a zone. The first step of that zone creation is already done. Okay, but I need to wait at least for this candle to close. Let me check. Give me a moment. Yeah, sure is. So the first step has already been done. I need to just wait for this candle to close. I can even consider the 1 hour candle, no worries. Or I can consider the 2 hours, or even 4 hours also can. But 4 hours means I need to wait until one lah. So I will just consider the 1 hour candle for now. I just wait for it to close and see first. Then I will check other time frames as well. But so far, the first step of creating that zone is already in effect. So this is a good opportunity. I'll put this high also. Hold on. Okay, put this up here so I can focus on it. This time we spoke about it. Okay, GBP Okay, you already hit the first target. So this was a bearish opportunity. I actually done this analysis before I did the live stream just now, but I never expected to take out the target already lah. So I am focusing on sales. There is a nice zone we created within this level here with these few candles. So essentially, I was waiting for price to come inside. It did come inside already, but not much for me. It's just a tap, as you can see, and then right now we're making a move towards the downside. So probably I won't get this entry opportunity. I probably think we will just move down. So let's see lah. Maybe tomorrow or what BJPY, because the entry opportunity, I won't enter this because this is not my criteria. But we are considered, we already tapped this level lah. This move down, we tap this level, and then right now we're moving down. So the concept is there. It is playing out according to the concept. So nothing much to do. I just can share with you guys lah. I'm focusing on a bearish opportunity for GBP JPY, and these are the essential targets of liquidity that I believe price is going to take out. Okay, traders. Let me just focus on the market just now. I highlighted what's going on. Okay, almost. Also almost. Okay, never mind. I got alarms for them, so no issue. Okay, so let's jump into the gold. I want to highlight gold. Okay, gold right now is a bullish opportunity now. Yesterday I highlighted these potential targets here, so I will remove them first. So as of now, I see this bullish opportunity that arised in the market as of now. But essentially, I'm waiting for a zone to populate. I don't see any zones available in the market. Well, there is one lah, but it's already being used. Okay, so let me see from here. As you can see, okay, okay, so this is the zone where we see price, okay, break out of it, retest here, and then we're having a move towards the upside. So this is one of the zone, but I don't consider this because it's already happened. Okay, so I would like to wait for a new zone to populate prior to understanding if we can reach this target or not. But overall, right now, I am bullish for gold. I'm focusing on buys. Huh? Okay, let's jump into the crypto side. Let's go Solana trade. I want to show you guys. I closed off this trade very lucky lah. Okay, so you see, I closed off this trade because we went to break even. Okay, I shared with you guys yesterday already, and then I re-entered the trading opportunity roughly around here, and then I closed off when it come to this level. So I earned about 108% from whatever I raised, which was I'm quite happy about that. It was essentially 200% something here, but it's okay. 100, I'm still very happy. Even 20% I'll be very happy. Okay. Then after that, I closed off. Why I closed off is the question. Okay, that is the most important question you guys should ask me. Guna, why you closed off when you said you believe it's a very good bullish opportunity? Not very good, but good bullish opportunity. Okay. The reason being is because I need to remove this to show. But I remove this. Never mind. I remove the target so you guys won't get distracted. I leave the zone because you guys have to focus on that. This I move away first. Okay, just focus on price. I want to make it as clean as possible. I want to see you guys can capture it or not. Don't focus on this move down. Okay, this one don't. Just focus. Okay, but up to this point here. Here to here. Okay, here. In between this line, let me make it thicker. Okay, what do you see? Let me remove this green one now. You can see already. What do you see? Sideways. Let me change the time frame. Sideways. Let me change time frame. Sideways. You know lah. The more time frame I change, you will just see the same thing. You will see sideways. The moment when we are in a sideways momentum, traders, neither bulls nor bears truly have power. Does not mean we cannot trade. We can have a bias. Did price move up? Yes, it did. The zone did hold. It did its job. We moved up. We moved up. We moved up. And then we broke through. So the zone did its job. It maybe never reached our targets that we had above there, but it did its job. We did move up, but not as powerful because we are in a cycling momentum. Whenever I realize, okay, I'm in profit and then going to below break even, and then I'm in profit and then going below break even, I will start to understand the market right now, buyers are not strong enough. We probably in a cycling momentum. When I zoom out and then I see, oh, you know what? We are in a sideways momentum. That's why when I re-entered the market, I exited. Initially, I wanted to hold, but then when I checked, I was like, okay, I can see we're in a sideways momentum. That's why I exited. Okay, I want you guys to learn to see that. Sideways means try to stay away. It's not really relevant or required for us to enter. Okay, so I didn't really analyze the market for Solana for any potential buying or selling opportunities. Okay, so this one I'll delete. I'll just leave it as it is for now, Solana. BTC. Okay, see, good bullish opportunity, right? Market came inside. This is another very good example. Market came inside the zone. We pushed all the way up, very close to the TP target. Then we broke below. Is this a successful trade or not? For me, it is a successful trade. Because why? Market did what we want, not want, we anticipated to do. The zone to support a bullish momentum move up. It never hit our target. It does not mean it's not a successful trade. Okay, it is still a successful trading opportunity. Just not strong enough bulls in the market at the time for us to focus on that buying opportunity. Okay, so I didn't do much of analysis for crypto space traders, so I won't be giving you guys bias for the crypto side today. Okay, I just want to give you guys updates on it. So this was a bearish opportunity waiting for a zone. I'll show you this zone, then we can highlight, then we can know when we spoke about it. Okay, so yesterday we spoke about it roughly here. Okay, just before New York session all kicked in, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think we spoke around this time. So I was focusing on a bearish opportunity, but there was no zone populated in the market. However, right now there is one. Okay, there is one zone right now, quite big one. This is the zone, quite a big zone. Zones are not always the same size. The way how I draw them, the way following my trading style criteria, which by the way, if you guys want to learn, I do have my own personal 6-week course whereby you guys can just reach out to me. I have my WhatsApp link in the description below or my Instagram handle to find out more details about that course. Essentially, you guys will be able to do the exact same thing that I'm doing on my live streams day to day within 6-week time. That's it. 6 weeks time. That took me over 3.5 years to do. You can do it within 6 weeks. That's less than 2 months. Okay, so you guys can just think about that like if you want. Hello, so I'm new to. Hello, Yi. Yi, is it Yi? Nice. Thank you so much for joining. You must be the new subscriber then. I watched your live stream for currency pair last night at the event. Awesome! That means you trade for AUD USD or AUD CAD. These are the pairs that I highlighted for buys, like AUD USD or AUD CAD. The prediction so on point. Message me. I appreciate that so much. Uh, you can reach out to me if you like. I have a WhatsApp link in the description below to find out more details about the course. No worries. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. I appreciate it. Happy that you went to TP. Congrats. I didn't see you yesterday lah, live stream. I think you didn't send any chat yesterday. Yeah, but congratulations. Very happy for you. This is what it's all about lah. Huh? Sharing and then we all win together. That's what it's all about. So yeah. Dogecoin still bearish opportunity. This is a zone, but I'm not interested to enter crypto as of now. That may change later because, like I said, crypto I don't really follow Asia, London, or New York. I even trade 1 a.m., 2 a.m. if I'm still awake. Usually I'm still awake, so I will trade that time as well because crypto don't have that buffer or that period where we don't have much power. For example, usually we have power one because crypto always runs, right? So that's why crypto is different, a bit special. ETH, okay, same. I elected for this bearish opportunity roughly here. I never expect New York to move very powerfully down. Do we have a zone here? Yeah, I see a zone. Okay, so this is the zone, traders. We have a zone here. Okay. Yeah, we have a zone here. So overall, I'm still bearish, but I'm not so sure if we will see price come to this level because I already see strong bears pushing price lower. Nevertheless, like I said, I'm not interested into the crypto space today. I want to primarily be focusing on these opportunities, which is AUD JPY for this potential buying opportunity and USD CAD for this selling opportunity. I'm not sure if I will get this one or not because you see New York already kicked in and then we see this powerful move down. But regardless, I won't rush for it lah because we got very big wins on Monday already. Mel, hello. Thank you so much for joining. Good evening, sir. Good evening. What do you think about crypto markets for now? Okay, but personally, I don't find that much of clarity to enter for the crypto space as of now. I got out of Solana also with some profits. I shared it on my Instagram lah. Uh, so I'm not really interested in the crypto today. I'm more interested into the forex side because forex has been booming a lot. Hi teacher, hello. Wow, a lot of you guys chatting today. So nice. Hello, thank you so much for joining the live stream. Okay, traders. So I think I will end it here. Okay. Because right now it's just a waiting and sorry, I'm like, no need to be sorry, no worries. There's no time limit to enter. You guys can just replay. I was busy just now. No worries, no worries. We all have life to do, life to attend to. So essentially, I will be focusing on these two today. USD CAD for selling opportunities, AUD JPY for buying opportunities. So I really just am hoping for price to come inside this level for me to find that buying opportunity, and I'm waiting for USD CAD for price to come inside of this level to focus on the selling opportunity. But of course, traders, please be aware and reminded. I say this countless of times because I really want you guys to understand. This will never be my entry. This is just for me to remember and for you guys to be aware. I'm focusing on sales. I will never enter just because the market comes inside the zone. Okay, I don't trade that way. That is basically trading blind. This is just how to say highlighting tool that I use so that I remember I'm focusing on buys or sells within this level. Okay, so 1 to 2 is the reward here. This one also 1 to 2, almost 1 to 3. Okay, but that can change. I can even take 1 to 3. I will aim for 1 to 3 for this one because, like I said, this is not my entry. Okay, if price come within this level, it could be anywhere within this range, and I will aim 1 to 3 as long as within this liquidity range. Okay, but right now, just for highlighting purposes, I'm focusing on buys for AUD JPY and sells for USD CAD. The rest of the market played out according to our buyers yesterday. So I will have to clean it up, and then tomorrow I will give you guys more trading opportunities if the market allows us so. Okay, traders. Okay, so I think I end the live stream here lah. Again, if you guys would like to learn watch your live stream every day. Yeah, I know, I know. Thank you so much. Hey, welcome to teacher live stream, student. Yep, this is my student. Very good. Oh, so sweet, so sweet. Oh my god. You guys are sweet. You guys making me smile so much that my cheek going to pain. Okay, okay, traders. That will be all for today. Again, if you guys would like to learn from me personally how I do my analysis, how I understand the market in such a way, what is my trading strategy, what is my risk management plan, and everything, I do have my own personal 6-week course whereby you guys will be able to do the exact same thing within 6 week time, which is less than 2 months. If you guys are really interested and have passion for trading, please do reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help you out in your trading journey. Okay, my WhatsApp link is description below. Also, my Instagram handle. Hey, hold on. We do have a chat. Hey, hello. How are you, bro? Hi, bro. Sorry, be busy. Good to see you. Very good to see you too. I just about to end the live stream, bro, but there are good opportunities today as well. Like for AUD I'm focusing on buys, and also USD CAD, I'm focusing on sells. So just wait for this level here. Don't enter straight away. Okay. Really just focus on how the market is reacting. Okay. If we see bears or bulls inside the zone, and then only consider. Okay. If you guys want to replay this live stream later on, also it'd be good. So just go through the ones that we spoke about, and also all the trading analysis that I updated to you guys. My personal advice for today, stay away from crypto first. Nothing bad about crypto. I personally never analyzed it much. I was focused more on the forex side because I want to make sure you guys get over 20 pairs for analysis, so you guys will find a lot of opportunities. But if you guys have any other currency pairs maybe you really like that you want to analyze, I can add it to the list. No worries, 50 you also can. Let's do it, and I'll analyze for you guys as long it will help you out as much as possible. Okay, traders, I want to go and shower. I already showered, for you guys wondering. No shower yet. No, I already showered. It's just hot, so I want to go shower again. Okay, traders. So I'll catch you all in very next live stream. Stay safe. Have a wonderful rest of the day. See you all tomorrow. Trade safely, huh? Goodbye, guys.